Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all how I like transform this stool here. And this stool, I got it from Family Dollars. When I take this fabric off, it becomes, well, I'm most likely gonna keep this on, but I'll look up like what's the name of this, because it's not called stool, it's called some type of table or whatever. Because you can see the bottom is blue. They have different colors or whatever, but these do sell fast, and I think it's just for this reason. Like, a lot of people turn these tables into stools. So yeah, it really looks bad now. I add the legs to this pretty bronze spray paint that I bought, or if I want to change it to brown. It's gonna match this Papasan chair that I have, and I'm gonna insert a picture there. So the chair did not come like that. The base did, but the cushion was all blue, and I just bought some furry fabric and I sewed it on the back. I have a video on how I did that. But basically, I'm just gonna get my dad to chop off about like this much, so it could be a footstool. And I'm gonna put some I got this old mattress topper. It's still soft, but it's not soft enough to sleep on, if that makes sense. So I'm put that on top, and then I have some extra fur from the Papasan chair, and I'm gonna put that on top of here. Sound like a bunch of rambling, but when I spray the legs, it's not gonna matter that I get it on the fur. So that's why I'm gonna spray it first, because I want to replace this fur. Well, not even replace. I don't even think I'm gonna take this fur off. But sit the camera up outside. But I wanted this brown. I wanted to use this because I mean it looks like it'll be a cute color. No runs, no drip. No, that's a fucking lot. This thing be dripping. But those are the legs with the brown. I wish I should have took a picture when I sprayed this, but it didn't even look like the little samples. Like this that I sprayed right here is supposed to be brown, and this over here, it really looks the fucking same, except this part got glitter to it. But basically, these are the legs. I want to spray some more. What the? Missing. Ooh, I hope I don't get on my mama coat. She gonna be mad as fuck. But yeah, I'm gonna come back like after 20 minutes. It looks like I fully saturated these though. I'm gonna go. I just cut the bottom piece off a mattress topper to get that soft cushion, and it evened up pretty well with the seat. I'm gonna double it. I wish I would have tripled it to make it super soft, but it's still soft. So I put the glue just to cause friction while I work, so it doesn't move as much. It's not gonna hold anything together like long term. It's just to help me work better without it moving all over the place. So if you just want to use glue, I suggest getting Mod Podge. You could just do the same thing I did with the glue, but use Mod Podge. And when you get ready to put your fabric on, instead of sewing it, you could just put Mod Podge. That Mod Podge is super strong. That's what I use for this other piece of fabric. You're gonna see me have a hard time going through the holes inside the table, because the Mod Podge really seal the holes up. But I'm just using nylon thread and a weaving needle, because that's stronger than household thread and a household needle. So the way I did this was I just pulled the fabric taut, and I tucked everything that I didn't want to be seen under. So you gotta pull really tight and tuck. That's really all that I did. It's very simple. The only hard part for me was getting the needle through the holes because the Mod Podge, like I said, is very strong. I should have remembered to buy some. And when you use Mod Podge, it's fast, quick, and simple. This didn't take me nothing but 10 minutes, but the Mod Podge would took like 3 minutes. So